What's going on? It's your man Kev here. I know it's been a few weeks, maybe two. Um, Sorry about that. But I've been in the markets, just a little bit. I had an injury, so basically, yeah, I had to take care of myself. So that's why I took, a little bit of time off from recordings, but I have been in the market here and there, and I also deposit some more money in there. Um, So I need to stop saying uh put in the comments how many times I say that would help my channel. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel. This is a fairly new channel. You see, I have no subscribers, so be my first subscriber. Okay, just hit the click button, hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it'll help me out in the long run. Okay. So, I'm just going to keep on pressing on. So, the markets are about to open real soon for the New York session. Okay, because I am here on the East Coast. Let's see. Let's see. What can I show you? Let me minimize that. Okay, you cannot minimize that. Blah 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 blah. Okay, but I can put this thing out of my way. Am I right? Because it's real huge. Okay. All right. Hmm. I don't know. You are like totally in my way. All right, let's see if I can get rid of that. Okay. I believe I am still recording, which I hope I am. Okay. Um, Now I want to share my screen right here. I guess share, let's share. Which one do I want to share? I want to share screen one. Share screen one. Okay. So I believe I am sharing screen one. All right. So I've been trading US 30 for a few days. Just playing around, see how it moves. Okay. I'm gonna go to my account history, and you can see here I started with $15. Um, I haven't quite uh, blown this account, so I hope not to. Um, Here's my insights. I want to go to lists so I can scroll all the way down. And basically, this is what I have been doing for the last couple of days here. Let's see. Uh, you see, US 30, US 30, US 30. Okay, so I've taken quite a bit of losses here, there, there. That was a huge one. Couple cents here, here. But I have a couple of wins. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, oh, 10. About 10 wins to my one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven losses. And within that, let's see, this is the 24th right here to the 25th. So that's, the last 2 days. And if you could take a look at uh, take a look at this here. That's probably the same thing. Um, so 94, about 150, 175, almost $4 there, a couple cents there. I had a big day right here, almost $9 right there. That was a pretty awesome day. All right, it's 9:20. All right, so I'm going to get back to the charts before I forget what I'm doing here. All right, so here, charts. All right, I am on the US 30, the 1 minute. one lot, well, 0.1 lot. And let me share this other screen right here. Oh, let's see. Let's show the meeting. Let's go to share. And let's share the screen right here. Okay. So let's see. Am I on the right one? Screen two. All right. So I believe I'm sharing screen two, briefly. All right. So I got the 1 minute chart up for the US 30 and the gold on the 1 minute. Okay. And right now I'm going to change the US 30 to 15 minutes. All right. 15 minutes. Let me get rid of this here. Delete. All right, so I am above this EMA, right, which doesn't really matter. All right, let's get this a little closed up here. Let's get rid of that green line. All right, so, oh, excuse me. So this looks like an area of interest here. Right about there, and I'm going to say right here. I'm going to mark this up. If you think you would mark it somewhere else, put it in the comments. But that's what I'm going to do right now. Mark up this 15 minute right there. Okay, and then I'm going to drop that down to 1 minute. All right, so I am in between here and here. All right, so looks pretty good. So we got close to a tap there and a couple of taps there. And we have a tap here and several taps in here and here and here. All right, so we are going, all right, we're on a 1 minute time frame, and we're going to wait for the open, which is in 7 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and we'll come back. I am back. All right. It is 9:29 Eastern Standard Time. Okay. And I am waiting for the New York session to open. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. 58 seconds. And boom. You see, it's going to start to go crazy. Go crazy. Let's see. All right. It is 9:30 and we are 29 seconds in. All right, so here we go. Look at that red thing go, boy. That was a busy. That was a busy. Every now and then I did like jump in on this if I figured out like where it is going to go. mean, I think it's heading in a down direction, but it's like you never know with these first few minutes of these candles. So we are now at 9:31. That is this candle right here. So we will wait for this one to close. Already it's lower than a 15-minute. All right, so that's our first candle right here. So what are we going to do here? We're going to turn you red or green. That is the top of our first candle right there. A bit bigger. All right, it looks real good right there. Okay. I meant to grab some more coffee. Oh, jeez. What is it? One, two, three. This is our third candle. Go ahead and switch this to one chart right here. Here we go. So we have a better bird's eye view. So there's one, two, three, four. And we got one more candle to form. Let's see what we're looking like on the hour. This is what we're looking like on the hour. So we got space and opportunity up here, and we have space and opportunity down here. All right, so let's go back to the 1 minute. One, two, three, four, five, and it looks like this is probably going to be the low right here. Let's change that to red. Hey, this seems to be what we're working with right here. So we can either go here or go down here. Let's see what we're going to do today. All right, so it's going to break through the first candle's high. Still in the 1 minute, the 30, 30, okay. So it's breaking through. Through that, I'm just going to go ahead and take a buy. We tested that level, that 15-minute right there. 15-minute low. Okay. It's got a doji. And we have 1 second. Check out this next candle. All right. So it retested that area right there. It looks like it's getting rejected. Now, if it comes back below the green line, okay, if it opens below the green line, I'm going to then take a buy. But if it pushes above this yellow line, I'm buying. But it looks like it's getting rejected. So if it's getting rejected around that area, which it pushed through, I'm in. I believe this is a strong push to the upside. And there you have it. We have one trade in, and it was a win. Yeah, and you know what? I think that was a loss because I think I had what, 64? I'm at 62. So it hit my 20 pip stop loss. Hmm. Seems it wants to hover around this yellow line here. That is that 15-minute low. Yeah, that area right there. And it's bouncing off this area here. Let me take off this 20 pip stop loss here. killing me. Whew. Took a $5 loss right there. Jeez. Okay. So this here is no longer important. Go back to the 15 right here. So where we at? So basically it shot down to here. Right there, which is, I guess, another important level right here. Back in the game here. Right, so here we go. This is what we're working with. 5 minute, like here. There we go. Now it's right. Sheesh, man. It was 30, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Down to 57.30. Ay, ay, ay. All right, guys. We are about a half hour in. I probably lost about $8 so far. So it is a really messed up day. I'm down to 54, 55, 16. So I think I had 64 and some change. Market is acting real funny today. Today is what, Wednesday. Um, so I'm going to see if I can gain this back. I think I took about what, maybe 4 or 5 trades. So right now at this point, it's not looking good for me. Boy, I tell you, it's crazy. You know, I mean, I took that big hit when I didn't have the stop loss on there, lost about $5. But the other ones I had a 20 pip stop loss, and that's what saved me pretty much. So hopefully you can hear me because I'm kind of like a little bit away from the mic. I am going to switch over to gold because right now US 30 is, I don't know, it's kind of like consolidating. So I'll come back to that and see what we're looking at. Let me see if I can regain, some of my funds back and not get caught up in the moment of trying to regain my funds back. So let me switch my broker over to gold. Gold, 1 minute, 0.1 lot. Okay. And let's see, let's switch that. Okay. All right, so I am going to look for cells. Right now it's running across my freaking EMA, SMA. It's all the freaking same. So I'm not going to trade anything along these lines like that. So I'm going to pause this video, and when I see something interesting, I will get into the trade, and I guess we'll see how it works out. All right, guys, I'm back. All right, hopefully we should be, let's see what screen, screen two. Okay, we're good. All right, let me close that. All right, screen two. All right, we got, we're on the goal. We're on the 1 minute, and we have a little bit of a pullback here. So we are going to see what we're going to be giving. As you see, we're creating high highs, high lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And it looks like pretty much like a higher low right there. So we are still in a bullish uptrend. This looks pretty good. So we're going to see what's going on here. Still above the EMA. Okay. As long as it doesn't break this low right here. Boom. All right, this candle's getting a little bit smaller. All right, I'm gonna go ahead. All right, so I am into this trade right here. Hmm. Let's see, volume is looking good. And and I normally don't trade gold, so this is all new to me. So we are going to see how this goes. Very much undecisive here. Still, still bullish, I was saying, still bullish. Okay. All right. We got 15 seconds left on this candle here. Can we get a nice push up? Okay, yeah, there we go. All right. So this is a one-to-one. We put the 10 seconds in. We get these little bit of stair steps, just keep on climbing slowly but surely. 25 seconds left to go on this here candle. A lot of buyers are coming in. So this is probably the longest video I've ever made. So I might do some editing and maybe keep it down to a minimum. Um, but remember, put in the comments how many times I said, I gotta fix my vocabulary. Add a couple of new words up in there. So right now we're looking pretty good. I would say we almost about halfway through this, I don't know what you want to call that. I tried looking this up, but whatever you call this right here. I guess it's my risk to reward ratio um, diagram or graph or whatever you want to call it. 5 seconds left for this candle. So we're about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 minutes into this here trade, and I think we're probably about halfway through, just about, just about there. Got 35 seconds left to this here. 15 seconds into this trade. Well, no, 15 minutes left, but now it's 10 seconds left. And I would say we're like halfway through. 1 second, new candle. Okay. We'll go ahead and close that. I was up $1 and some change and um probably close it at a couple of cents. So I am going to work on this all day. I'm gonna try to get this back up to where I had it at one point earlier this week. I was at almost $72. So I've taken quite a beating these first couple of days of this week. So that's going to be all for right now. Subscribe to this channel. Let me show you where I am at so you will know from the next video that I upload where I will be at that point. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's go share and right here and share. Okay, so as you see, 55.76 is where I am at. It's where I'm at. Um, and my problem is that when it does that little pullback, I get a little scared and I want to take profit. So that's partly my problem right there. Um, because I were to hold on, okay, you can see this is where it's at right about now. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minutes. And it's probably a slow incline. So I'll probably maybe keep recording this and just edit it and show you where this trade would have been. But I did take a little bit of profit. So on that note, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and like the video. It doesn't cost you anything. It just helps me. So on that note, guys, have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.